It's now started to rain again. As soon as I put my camera away, the rain started again. Snickers bar to keep me energy up. So we've got as far as the race course, and now we're heading back. I've had my coffee, Snickers bar, and look, if you can see through there, look, it's now pouring. Just spoken to my daughter, who is sadly at home suffering with COVID. Never goes away, does it? It is getting cold now. It's strange how quickly the rain comes and the temperature drops. I just passed a guy walking the other way, and he said, just us two idiots out in the weather then. And yeah, but it's only water, and it's good to be out. At the end of the day, it's good to be out. So the Thames Path is getting mulchier and mulchier and more slippery every step. Still in one piece though. I think it's a oh, they are. It's the rowing club. Christmas rowers. It must be a Christmas rowing competition. Brilliant.
We've got Charlie Egan, Falling Cup finalist 2022. We've got Jack Sperrin, Dylan James, Falling Cup finalist 2021. Off they go to warm up. Okay, we're in at 2-3. 2-3, ready to start. Here they come.
British weather really is amazing, isn't it? It's now you can see blue sky coming in everywhere, and the guys on the lakes are having a race. I think the rain you can hear is stuff coming in off the trees. Coffee. That noise is the rowing boats. Onwards. Afternoon. Very good, you? That makes three of us. Afternoon. Two mad men and a dog. On my way out here earlier, when the sun was shining, I actually did my 1 minute video interview for TV. I don't know how that's going to go, but if anything comes of it, I'll certainly let you all know. Fingers crossed. It's going to be an adventure. It's a really good walk. Obviously when it's raining and it's a bit cold and damp, it's not so great. I mean, it makes no difference to me. I love walking, whatever. But in the summer, this would be a lovely walk from Maidenhead, even Clifton, all the way to Windsor. Cup of tea, slice of cake, and all the way back again. Sounds like my perfect day. But if you ever want to do it, I'll put the information in the description. Actually, earlier I think I said that was the A4. Just now I said it was the A5, and of course it's wrong on both counts. Sun's out, a nice little bit of sunshine there. Two and a half, 2 3/4 hours. You may be able to hear the wind is really getting up now. The rain has stopped. We are on the flight path into Heathrow here. I can just see that in the sky. I don't know if you can. That looks like a 777 going into Heathrow. I've spoken about this before. I spoke about it quite a lot when I was in the Philippines. And in the Philippines, people are so friendly. They say hello. They'll stop and chat. And if you say hello to them, or good afternoon or good morning, they'll stop, communicate, converse. And yet in the UK, it seems to be, I don't know, it seems to be totally alien. I've said it before. I've probably passed 7, 8, 9 people here today on this walk, and the ones that you know are out on the walk because they like walking, on the cyclists who are, you know, mud biking, say hello, they say hello. The walkers say hello, like the one earlier that said we were 2 stupid people out in the rain. And yet the other 5 or 6 people that I've passed I look and say good afternoon, hello, lovely day or wet day. They look at you as if you've got two heads, as if to say, how dare you speak to me. Bizarre. I wonder if anybody else has that. And if nobody else has it, that must mean it's me then. They're lovely houses. They're beautiful houses. And they've all got their own jetties. And the River Thames is still flowing fast, but no ripples, no waves. Very picturesque. Very noisy. Hope you enjoy the video. It's dark, it's cold, and it's wet. We've had a great time. Please like and subscribe if you will.